Consignment. Consignment means one trader sending goods to the agent for selling on commission basis in different areas. It is called consignment. Once again, one trader sending goods to his agent for selling on commission basis. It is called consignment. Next, consignor. Consignor means the owner of the goods. Owner of the goods. Who sent the goods on consignment? The person is called consignor. The person is called consignor. Simply say who sent the goods on consignment. The person is called consignor. Consignor is the owner of the goods or principal. Okay. Consignee. Consignee means the owner send goods to whom? The owner send goods to whom? The person is called agent. The person is called agent. So it is also called representative of the and owner. Best example, and Gemini company. This is a tea powder company, and they are selling in different areas, just like Nalgonda and Miryalaguda and Suryapeta, next HYD, Hyderabad, Vijayawada. So the owner of the and goods is called Gemini company. The Gemini company is selling their product in different areas through his agents. In Nalgonda, representative is called A. In Suryapeta, B. In Vijayawada, C. In Hyderabad, D. And Miryalaguda, E. These are the representatives of the companies. So they are selling on the goods on commission basis at various places. What is the main reason? If you want start the any business institution, there is a required more finance, more assets, more manpower. It is not and impossible, then only the company is selecting the alternative option. That is called, and they are selling the goods through agents on commission basis. On commission basis, it is called consignment. Once again, consignment nothing but the owner of the goods are sending goods to his agent for the purpose of selling on commission basis. Selling on commission basis, that is consignment. Who is the consignor? The Gemini company is the consignor. Gemini company is the consignor. The Gemini company is distributing their goods in different areas: Nalgonda, Suryapeta, Vijayawada, Hyderabad, Miryalaguda, just like. A, B, C, D, E. These are all persons are called consignees. Consignees means representative of the Gemini company. So it is called consignment business. Consignment business means and trader sending the goods to agent and selling on commission basis. It is called consignment. Consignor means the owner of the goods. Who is the owner of the goods? Gemini company is the owner of the goods. Who is the consignee? The representative of the all areas A, B, C, D, E. These are the consignees are agents to the Gemini company. This is the relation between the and consignor and consignee. The consignor is the owner, consignee is the agent. This is and previous topics. Now come to the and journal entries in the books of consignor. Journal entries in the books of consignor. What are the journal entries in the books of consignor? And what is the need of and entries in consignment? If you want know the profit or loss on consignment, and you must prepare consignment account. If you want to know the balance of due from consignee, you must prepare consignee account. Two accounts are important in consignment. The accounts are prepared based on the journal entries. Based on journal entries. What are the journal entries? We discuss one by one. Journal entries in the books of consignor. Journal entries in the books of consignor. Example A. And what is the first entry? First one entry, when goods sent on consignment. And the entry is the only one entry. Consignment account data. Consignment account data. 2. Goods sent on consignment. This is the first entry in the books of consignor. Next, second one entry, expenses incurred by consignor. This is the second entry. What is the second entry? And the expenses is spent for consignment. So consignment account data. And the owner of the goods are consignor. So don't mention the owner name. So you have to mention only cash account or bank account when expenses incurred by the consignor. Next, third one, advance from consignee. Advance from consignee. And advance may be in three ways. One is check, so it is called bank account. Suppose bills receivable or cash, debtor. Who is the given? Consignee. Consignee account is compulsory credit. Next, fourth one, consignee expenses, spent consignee expenses, spent expenses, spent by consignee. This is the another one, consignment account data. to consignee account. Okay. Next, goods sold by consignee. First one, consignee account data to consignment accounts. Goods sold by consignee. Next, and for commission, consignee commission, consignment account data to consignee account. This is the sixth one. Okay, these are the and 6 entries for consignment. Another remaining 3 or 4 entries may be there. Okay, next discuss seventh entry. Seventh entry, unsold stock. Consignment stock account data to consignment account. For unsold stock. Next, eighth one, for profit. Okay, consignment account data to profit and loss account. Profit or loss account. In case of loss, the entry is reverse. The entry is reverse, means for loss, profit and loss account data or loss account data to consignment account. This is the ninth entry. Next one, 10th entry, goods sent on consignment, transfer to trading account. Okay, goods sent on consignment account data to trading account. or purchase account. Last 11th one, final payment. Final payment from consignee. Final payment received from consignee. Cash account or bank account or bills receivable account to consignee account. These are the entries in the books of consignor.